Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Wybie from Coraline outfits in Dress to Impress. If you want to bring the quirky, resourceful charm of Wybie from Coraline to the DTI runway, this is your ultimate guide to nailing his iconic look. So this will be perfect for cartoon, hero, or Halloween theme, and this outfit is instantly recognizable and totally unique. Now let's just get started. Now first, let me show you the hair that I use for YB look. First, I'm using this, I don't know what it's called, but I call it zombie hair, brain hair, and also this masculine hair, also this braids or locks hair, and color it dark brown. And for this one, I'm using some adjustment in here. I'm changing the position Z into 54 and toggle it into number 2. And now let's go to the Halloween items in here and put on the button eyes. Here I'm going to use the adjustment again. Here I'm going to go with and adjust the scale to 69. Okay, so this is how the eyes will look like now, and then you can now just go in here and put on this blazer in black color, and I'm going to change the material into light silk for all of it. And then you can also put on these long sleeves at the top. Use the same color and material, and put on the gloves. Make it short with no fur, and I'm going to change the color to this dark gray color. You can go in here to the men's section, put on this top right here, put on this goggles, change all the color into black except the last one. Put on this hoodies right here, this oversized t-shirt, remove the picture and change the color and material the same like the previous items. Now you can just put on this boots for the shoe. Use black for all of the colors. And for the pants, I'm going to use this pants in here, and I'm going to change the color a little bit darker using this hex code. And then I'm going to put on this hat in black color. Then you can use some adjustment so that the goggles will still show up on the hair. So I'm going to change the Z to 53. And that's it. Now this is the final look for YB from Coraline in Dress to Impress. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.